Oh boy, fireworks. You might be asking how we got our hands on fireworks anyways, because they should probably be illegal in Hawaii, right? Well, the short answer is yes. However, it gets a bit more complicated than that. You can light off fireworks in Hawaii, but you can only light off the lame ones that don't go above 3 meters in height. Which means that the fireworks you see here are 3 meters or lower at their highest, which is kind of cringe. Anyways, let's open them. These seem just like regular fireworks, but they're a lot lamer. I love this tiny one though, it's so cute. We also got these funny popper thingies, which are really fun to play with. You just throw them at the ground. Yeah, that's about it. But we actually got a bit more than just 5 of them. And a bit more. I mean, that's probably a bit excessive right now. Oh, look. I'm throwing grenades. Throwing them. Look at all the bombs. Oh, yeah. Oh, look. Look who's here. It's the US Air Force dropping the bombs via airplane. I swear, these are so fun. You'll run out of 40 boxes in no time. While I was editing, I saw this cool rainbow outside, so I decided to take a video of it. Now, we actually wouldn't be lighting all the fireworks on one day. Instead, we'd light 6 fireworks today, 6 fireworks tomorrow, and the rest of the fireworks would all be lit on the 4th. Here's the picture of the smallest firework. And some pictures of the others. In total, there are 6 pictures, but there's actually 7 recordings because my sister decided to bring an extra one, and we didn't get to take a picture of it before we lit it. Also, the order these are being shown isn't actually the order the recordings will be played. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the show. Oh! Oh! You might have noticed that we didn't use all 30 fireworks today. If you want to see the rest of the fireworks, I'll be recording them as we light them and releasing them to YouTube when I'm able to. As always, thank you for watching this video and have a good day.